Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on 2017 Hyundai Elantra, updated. Start by gathering tools: Phillips screwdriver, Torx bit, trim tools, and a replacement handle. Remove the door panel carefully, disconnect wiring, and locate the broken latch or linkage. Inspect plastic clips and replace any worn parts. Test the handle operation before reassembly and secure the panel with screws and clips. Take your time and keep track of fasteners for a smooth repair. Gather these items before you start to save time and avoid frustration. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, Torx bit set, trim pry tool, needle nose pliers, and replacement handle or latch assembly. Keep a small container for screws and clips so nothing gets lost. If clips are broken, have extra door panel clips ready. Also keep a flashlight handy for tight spaces. Wearing gloves helps protect hands while prying and handling sharp edges. Start by lowering the window all the way to access interior clips and screws. Remove trim pieces slowly with pry tool to avoid breaking clips and locate the screws under armrest and door pull. Disconnect the electrical connectors and lift the door panel off once all fasteners are removed. Inspect the handle linkage and replace any broken plastic rods or clips. Reassemble in reverse order, testing the handle before final screw tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.